everyone, my name is Kevin. I'm the founder and CEO of Meshub. I'm so honored to be invited to this Business Blockchain Expo. So before we move on, I'm going to show you a video first to help you better understand what is our project.
By leveraging blockchain technology and interplanetary file system technology, or IPFS, Meshub provides a distributed mesh network and secured serverless computing platform. The Internet, or Web 2.0, allow users to interact with data through social platforms. Yet Web 2.0 is flawed. Data are owned by centralized system. Privacy and security may be compromised. Traditional giant CDN and cloud providers like Amazon, Akamai, Google, Microsoft still reaps massive revenue from our data and bandwidth. We are looking at over hundreds of billions of dollars market size of CDN, VPN, and cloud services with the growing usage of the Internet, smart and IoT devices in foreseeable future. Data is not safe and corporations continue to make money off users. Is there a solution to disrupt this market? Introducing Meshub, a gateway to Web 3.0, an all-in-one device and platform solution to disrupt the traditional storage and bandwidth market. Meshub is an integrated plug-and-play platform solution. It serves as a multifunction entertainment hub, functioning as a Wi-Fi router with built-in SSD 1 TB NAS storage, multimedia platform, decentralized node contributor, and DApp platform. Meshub's true value is being a global distributed network. Users' data and bandwidth are now secure. Each Meshub node returns data and bandwidth ownership to users in the ecosystem. Through Meshub, as one of the node contributors, you can contribute any amount of idle bandwidth and storage as a paid service and be rewarded back through the Meshub token. Meshub, Uberize your bandwidth.
I hope you all have some understanding of Meshub now. Yes, Meshub, Uberize your bandwidth. It was a slogan that we created a year ago for marketing purpose. Just like Uber share your car, Airbnb share your house, and Meshub share your bandwidth. Let me further elaborate how things works in Meshub. Meshub builds a distributed peer-to-peer edge computing network, which improves global data video streaming traffic. We were founded in 2018. At that time, we saw rapid data growth, and traditional CDNs had encountered bottlenecks in reducing their high running costs. Therefore, we started to develop a low-cost and distributed edge computing network. Meshub can not only greatly reduce the cost of CDN, but also reduce the burden on the backbone network of telecom companies. We have currently finished our proof of concept stage, and we have testing machine in Hong Kong, Taiwan, South Korea, Singapore, and soon in Japan. With the impact of COVID-19, the current data infrastructure is insufficient in meeting the growing trend, no matter now or future data consumption. Companies like Disney+, Netflix, Apple, Amazon, and YouTube, they all have to downgrade their streaming quality in order to maintain their service. About 80% of current global internet traffic are all from video streaming, gaming, and social media. We see a tremendous demand of CDN after the pandemic. Speaking of CDN, the development of 5G will greatly increase the demand for CDN. eMBB will increase the network speed. We'll see a lot more high definition like 1080p, 4K, and 8K streaming. Ultra low latency will also create more real-time data from different industries. And MMTC will totally change the architecture of traditional CDN network. So now we are building a hybrid CDN together with our unique transcoding card. We use Meshub for fast and no-cost transcoding, as well as CDN Village Edge Server, which can reduce the cost for live streaming and OTT VOD platform. Here is our business model. We provide transcoding, CDN, and streaming services to VOD, OTT, and live streaming platform. To show how cost efficient we are, here is an example below. For 100 minutes 1080p movie, AWS would cost around $5. And with our platform, clients can save up to 80% of their costs. This is our current system and PCDN infrastructure. We run our master node on the cloud as an API gateway, and all Meshub are connected as a VNA node by Kubernetes. Each Meshub can install any services by Docker deployment. We'll further collaborate with Marlin Protocol to enhance our PCDN structure and become a high-efficient peer-to-peer network. This is our transcoding cloud, and we have developed a ultra-low latency WebRTC live streaming engine using an AI-driven codec, Tori. You can see our output latency by different protocol here. WebRTC's latency can be as low as 0.5 seconds. For VOD and OTT platform, we have done a very impressive parallel transcoding by segmentation on the Meshub. Using a service, transcoding time and cost can greatly reduce by up to 80%. And here are some use cases which will benefit by the ultra-low latency live streaming. It will greatly enhance the user's experience and make them more competitive in the market. Now I'm going to show you a few video demos that about our services. The first demo is our parallel transcoding service. I started transcoding right away just to minimize the demo time. First, we input the video source for transcoding. Second, we can choose the parameters of the video. Then the resolution we select 1080p. Now we only use one Meshub for transcoding. Some more parameter setting. The video length is around 80 seconds, and normally it takes around 80 to 90 seconds to finish. The ratio is around 1:1. After transcoding, we will see a 1080p video. It will be showing on the video player. So it took around 92 seconds. Now we choose 8 Meshub and start again. Let's see the performance. All the settings are the same. You can see the transcoding process speed up a lot. It only took 30 seconds, around 70% faster. The efficiency will be even higher if the video's length is longer. Second demo is our CDN service. This is our CTO, Raymond. He started a live streaming from his home in Taiwan. Upper part you see is the original stream from Taiwan. Bottom left is the output through our Meshub as a CDN edge in Taiwan. Bottom right is the output through our Meshub as a CDN edge in Los Angeles, US. You can see the latency for local edge is much lower than overseas edge. The performance of Meshub as a local CDN edge is excellent, which can provide CDN service with low latency and low cost. The last demo is our streaming engine. That's me started a live streaming on the left-hand side of the screen. I'm holding a timer just to show the latency difference. On the top right, streaming output is full WebRTC with a 0.5 to 0.7 latency. On the bottom right, streaming output is full HLS with a 8 to 10 seconds latency. Performance of WebRTC is quite impressive, as most of the live streaming on the market are using HLS as an output. Our ultimate goal is to build the largest meshed distributed computing network. We are not only building a private decentralized application platform, but also compatible with other distributing applications and platforms as well. When the number of nodes increase over time, we will have a very efficient and valuable network, connecting the world with blockchain ecosystem. Our team members are from different professional fields. I personally focus more on hardware design and development. I'm a big fan of peer-to-peer technology, as I'm also the organizer of Hong Kong IPFS community. Our CTO, Raymond, he is an expert of CDN and streaming, who previously worked for IBM, Barco, for more than 10 years. COO Kevin Hu is a blockchain expert, as he was the blockchain hackathons winner back in 2016. He then founded a blockchain media in Taiwan and provide consultancy to local blockchain projects. Our CSO Brian, he has an excellent marketing sense that he has more than 15 years of strategic investment experience on the technology sector. Our advisors here, with streaming expert Yan, peer-to-peer expert Tianyi and Jiala, they have given us a lot of valuable advices during our development. We are now hardware ready, and we already having a lot of commercial partnerships all over the APAC, like BINARYSTAR in Japan, Manin in India, and other local marketing distributors in Korea and Singapore. In addition to the transcoding cloud, we cooperate with Lens Immersive Australia with their AI software encoder Tori. By using their codec, the file compression performance can save up to 40% of bandwidth. Currently in Taiwan, we have cooperated with several local CDN providers and provide our transcoding and CDN service to them to lower their costs. We have also have discussion with the Smart Street Light contractor about the possibility of integrating Meshub into their system as a 5G node in the future. Here you see our roadmap and milestone. We started the idea 2 years ago, and we have showcased the idea and demo at Unblock Tokyo in BINARYSTAR and Singapore Block Show last year. The COVID-19 obviously delayed and affected our plan, but things quickly get back to normal as we move on. So we'll reach out to have more business engagement in the coming future. And thank you very much for your time. If you have any questions or any business related issues, you can ping me through Twitter or drop me an email. So take care.